Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to update the software for Nokia 106 4G 2023 edition. As usual, we have here one sample. Let's check the firmware version. So as you can see, we have now the version 10.01.17.00. So we are planning to update the software to the latest version. We can also use the same process to repair different software faults or change the language inside the phone. So for this, I'm going to use SPD service tool from FURIOUSGOLD box. If you don't have it, go ahead on our website or visit our sellers and buy it. So in order to start the process, we need to power off the phone. On the software, from the boot mode tab, I'm going to choose our model 106 4G 2023 edition, and from here I'm going to choose the right firmware and choose the firmware which I downloaded from the site. Everything is okay, the file is loaded and we can start the process. So now I'm going to simply press connect and attach the phone with the star key button pressed to the USB cable. So let's do this. If everything is okay, the phone gets detected and the work starts. So as you can see, the flashing process ended and the phone powers on. Now let's check the new firmware version. So as you can see, the firmware got updated to the 11.00.17.00 version, exactly as the file used in the software. So again, thanks for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.